In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your account for cross-progression in Multiversus on Steam. This process will help you seamlessly continue your gameplay across different platforms, ensuring your progress, achievements, and customization options are consistently up to date no matter where you're playing. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Warner Brothers account. This is the hub where all your linked accounts and settings are managed, so it's crucial to start here. Head over to the Warner Brothers account website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Look towards the top right and you'll see a section labelled Account Settings. Click on that to proceed. In the account settings, you'll notice an option labelled Connections. This is where you'll manage the various accounts you can link to your Warner Brothers account, so go ahead and click on it. Now in the Connections section, you'll be looking to locate Steam, as this is the platform we're focusing on today for linking your Multiversus game. You might see a list of various services, but scroll through until Steam appears, you can't miss it. Once you've found Steam in the list, you'll see an option to connect. Clicking on this will initiate the linking process. A prompt will appear asking you to continue, so simply click continue to move forward. Next you'll need to log into your Steam account. A separate prompt or window might appear asking for your Steam login credentials, so be sure to have your username and password ready. Log into your account, and you'll almost be there. Once you've successfully logged into Steam, you'll need to finalize the connection by clicking on Link. This final step will secure the connection between your Steam account and your Warner Brothers account, enabling cross-progression. And there you have it. Your Steam account is now linked, allowing for seamless cross-progression in Multiversus. This means everything from your game progress, character customization, and any in-game purchases will carry over as you switch platforms. It's a fantastic feature that makes playing your favorite games even more convenient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Happy gaming!